Are you getting annoyed by the TWAIN Library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. To kick off the TWAIN library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the TWAIN library. This library is the cornerstone of the TWAIN standard for image acquisition. It allows software, like Photoshop or Acrobat, to communicate with scanners and digital cameras. Missing Twain.dll is a primary cause of no scanner detected or TWAIN source could not be opened errors in document processing software. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Because TWAIN Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the TWAIN library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. A quick warning, many sites offering TWAIN Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Review repair-related information for TWAIN Library by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for TWAIN Library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.